Here's our first look, just from up the mountain a little ways, not all the way up. A lot of bushwhacking to get up here. Wild blueberries.
Stay alive. Stay alive. I got to keep it together. Keep it together. I got to keep it together. Keep it together.
All right. So this is kind of the proverbial fork in the road. During the winter, when Pete and I, Pete from Pete's Path for the Outdoors, he went up this way. Because he's young and athletic, and on snowshoes is very difficult, and I went this way. So I think that's what's going to happen. I'm going to go this way again. It's not like there's a path like the path to get here. This is a bit of bushwhacking, but that's how we roll. Northern Ontario. If you want to go to places that are less traveled and perhaps a little more interesting. There's Joe's airplane. Follows everybody. The scene is getting a little bit nicer. A little bit higher as we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, guys and gals. So I've reached the top of the mountain on this side. It's kind of a weird mountain. It has a large flat top. It doesn't really come to like a peak as you would picture in your mind. So this is kind of one side of it, the front side. And then we're pushing through, doing some more bushwhacking back here. It's beautiful up here, peaceful. Even though we're not that far out of town and there are a lot of houses and cottages on that lake that you see there, not many people are coming up here enjoying the beauty. All right. Hearts thumping, heavy breathing, bushwhacking. Getting there, slowly but surely. Like I said earlier, there's no conventional route. There's no trail. It's all bushwhack. Lots of blueberries. Of the wild variety. Hey guys, so back on the other side of this mountain here, see a little bit of that scenery behind me. To light fire right here, right on the rocks, where there's no forest fire out of control hazard. And damn man, that's a nice view. So that'll be good. Let's get to it. Get it going so we can get a little bit of coal base going. Just using scraps, dead wood. Plenty of that around. Alright, got the fire going. Hey guys, got the potatoes on the fire there. Coming along nicely. I'm gonna use my Chinook Technical Outdoor anodized frying pan. That's an 8.5 inch diameter pan. I'm gonna use this to cook up the steaks and some bell peppers. And I'm not gonna go with the grill today. I'm gonna go with the pan fry. Montreal Steaks Place. Steak, nice and pink. Nothing better. Cooking out here in the outdoors. Wash it down. Perfect. Don't need a lot of experience. Just have to make an effort to go out there and learn and try. That's it. Hey guys, as you see, the fire is out. Beautiful, beautiful up here. Just gorgeous. Hey guys. Another cool adventure, lots of fun, good food, great view, just an amazing view, good hike, good workout. Lord knows I need the workout. So a lot of fun back on the main path now, as you can see. So no more bushwhacking, straight back to the vehicle. And that's it for today. Doug from Pine Tree Line Outdoors, signing off. Have a good day, folks.